Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, Groovy Vibes. We're here in my new hotel. Let me show you, check this out. We got a little RJ there. But hold on, let's start here. Hold on. Okay, so here's the entrance. We come in, we have a, I just realized we have a sink. We have a sink. I didn't even know. We have a big water, cupboards, closet, more drawers, a desk, a mirror, chair. Groovy view. Remember this view? Throwback view right here. Massive throwback. Massive bed. We're talking massive here. Like what is this? Like a obviously bigger than a king. So what is a king plus? An emperor bed? Is this an emperor bed? Yeah. Anyways, so this is the buttons. This is the bathroom. The shower. Nice shower, just took a shower actually, shower. Huge mirror. Of course we got AC. Yeah, but that's huge TV. That's pretty much it. So anyways, we're gonna walk around Makati. We're back. This is where I was supposed to be, not in Manila City, but here, the original place. But anyways, now I'm actually here, so yeah, let's go explore now. All right. Elevators are taking forever. Oh, come on, just like the old one. That's my old place back there. Well, there we go. I guess someone recognized me. Anyways, let's go out to eat. I still need sunglasses, but I don't know where I'm supposed to find sunglasses. That's the thing. Well, how are we gonna cross? Oh, I guess we're going for it. Remember this? Remember the original? Where we first started? Oh my god! Ah! Ah! Ah!
Just chill.
Oh jeez.
It's okay.
Oh jeez. Oh god. Are you sure about this?
Yeah.
But there's cars. Oh my god. Jesus Christ. Alright, I'm following you. Oh my god, you're just walking towards the car. Well, that was scary. That was very scary. How did that happen?
Yes, sir, do you want?
Oh, just looking. Hello. Wonder what that's all is. A little convenience store? Let's see if this one's open. Hello. Yeah, vlogging.
Hey, what's up?
Hey, hello.
Hey, what's up?
Yeah.
What's your YouTube channel though?
NateVlog. Here, you want to put it in? Thank you guys. Thank you.
Welcome, idol.
Subscribers. Everybody's subscribing. Yeah, guys. Anyways, so we ordered some sweet and sour pork. That's coming along, and we're gonna try this out here in this legit Chinese restaurant. What's this place even called? Hoplo? Fu Chao? Fu Chao. Okay, here we go, everyone. So here's what we're eating. This is sweet and sour pork with rice. Doesn't that look delicious? Good thing we just got one. I mean, that's like a lot of food right there. Anyways, let's get started. Here we go. How's the lighting? Can you guys see us? Okay. So we gotta put the rice down. Rice down first. Then we scoop this up. Oh, it's crispy. Oh, it's hot. Hot. Okay. Here we go. What do you think? It's different, huh? Really crunchy. Yummy. Sure is different. Has a very sweet taste. That's why you put the rice together with it. So big. So what are your thoughts on it?
Tastes authentic.
Authentic, right? Yeah, very authentic. This is the real Chinese sweet and sour, yeah. This isn't no imitation. But what do you prefer, the real deal or the Americanized one?
The other one.
Alright, well, at least we experienced something different.
A little aftertaste.
This is pork, right?
Yeah, it doesn't taste pork at all.
Pork, right? Pork? Please? Oh god.
You think it's bad?
This big platter of food costed $10. And rice as well. So yeah, altogether $10. It was massive. We're still trying to finish it. Ugh.
I don't have $20. $20. 20 pesos.
Is this? Oh. do you have 15 pesos?
I don't.
No, I don't.
I don't have.
I'm just gonna pay 1,000.
I don't have it.
Thank you. Alright, there we go. We finished everything. Well, no, actually, there's still more, but we're full. We're super full. Anyways, we're gonna head towards Burgo Street. Actually, I'm gonna wash my hands first. Well, that was different. What do you rate your experience?
7.
7 out of 10. Ah, that's pretty high. I wonder what kind of meat that was, though. I'm sure it was pork, right? It's got to be pork. Mine was 6.5 out of 10. It was good. Really filling. Too crunchy though. Remember this place right here? This is City Garden Grand Hotel. Grand. You know, I gotta say, can we cross? All right, we're crossing. That was my favorite hotel. The whole trip, that was the best one. Number one. I really miss it, honestly, and I recommend it. So if you're staying here in Makati next to the Burgo Street, can we cross? Oh my God, I guess we're going. Look, this guy's about to hit us. Look at that. Ah!
There's no one.
Ah! Yeah. Next to Burgo Street, and you guys want to have a good time? Well, I recommend staying there. Now, speaking about Burgo Street, we're actually going to go there right now. We'll get a few hookers, a few drinks. Yeah, have a good time. So I'll have two. How many girls do you want? 2? 3?
Girls? I want boys.
Wow. All right, well, this is it here. I wonder which one we should go to. This is the one I had last time. The first time I went to Cheers right here. Well, anyways. Honestly, none of these places look too open. Maybe it's too early. But it's like 2 o'clock though. Is it really too early to drink at 2 o'clock? Or this is just a night scene. This is a night place. Alright, I guess you come here at night. But anyways, where should we go? Where should we go? Which way? Alright, we'll go in the shade.
Where do you want to go?
Nah. Closed. Okay, I'm gonna take a photo right here. Little RJ is gonna take a photo. I got her sunglasses on. Ah, so much better. Wow. All right, let's take a photo.
We are in Japan.
Hello.
We are in Japan.
What is this? Why is this place all caged up?
Sorry store. Girl.
What are they sorry for?
It's like a convenience store, but like smaller one.
Oh, almost got hit by a car. Alright, we'll go here at Choose Bar. This place is good. Okay, so here we go. Are we in the picture? Yeah, we are. So, a wise guy once told me to clean the top of the bottle. That's the word bottle. I haven't even started drinking yet. I'm not even thinking. Alright, anyway, so we got of course, we got Red Horse and we got
San Miguel apple.
San Miguel apple. Cheers. Ah, refreshing. Good stuff right there. Now we just people watch now. Right? That's what you're supposed to do. Yeah. Ice cold Red Horse. But look at those wires though. Look at that. Still can't get enough of that. Look at those. Oh, look at that. Look. Are you looking? That's ridiculous. The wires. So silly. Here we go. Cheers. Oh, you want another one? Oh, you want another one? I told you this is fun. Alright, so right now all we're doing is sitting back and just people watching. Watching the girls go by, watching all these old guys go by. Fun stuff, people watching. I watch people watching on YouTube. Now I'm experiencing it in real life. If that makes sense. Yeah, anyways, back to people watching. Okay everyone, well, I'm pretty much done for. I'm gonna go back to the room and rest, and we'll see you next time. Like and subscribe. Have a good one, okay? Tell them to subscribe. Subscribe everyone, like and subscribe. Alright, big ups everyone, big ups. Groovy Vibes. See ya from Burgo Street. We're going. We are out. Alright, let's get it. Yeah, long outro, long outro. Long outro, long. Alright. It's done? It's still going. Hold on. Ah.